Hey guys, I want to show you how to do a Kylie Jenner braid, otherwise known as a Dutch braid. Okay, I'm going to brush my hair really well. When I do braids on myself, I like them to be a little bit messier, but I know Kylie Jenner does hers pretty sleek. Just use your fingers to create 3 sections at the top here. And then you want to go under and over. And once you've done that once, you want to pick up another section. Add a little bit of hair to the outside piece, so it combines like that. And then this piece here, I'll add in a little bit. Again, we'll do under and over. Do it as tight or as loose as you want. At the end, you can always go back over and kind of pull at it a little if you want to make it looser. You're going to start to see that it's bulky on the top, and that's how you know that you're doing it right. That's what you want. As opposed to a French braid where that bulkiness and the guts are on the inside.
You can see here I've taken a sneaky half section instead of a full section, and I want to explain to you why I did this. If I continued to take the full sections, meaning all the way from my hairline, then the sections would have continued to be more and more pointed upward. And as I was getting over the crest of my hair and going down my head at this point, I wanted to make sure that those sections would be horizontal as opposed to pointed upward. So that's kind of the basic reason why I did this. Hopefully that makes sense and you can see with your own eyes.
Okay, now I'm going to tie it just here. I'm not going to leave it here, but I'm going to tie it really loosely here so I can just kind of pull it through. Just pulling it loosely. Like, some people might want it really tight and slick against their head, but we're not all blessed with Kylie Jenner's head shape, so if you do pull one section too hard and it looks a little funny, you can always just like pin it in instead of having to start all over again. I just think it's easier to pull it apart like that before you've braided it all the way down to the bottom, because once you braid it all the way down to the bottom, it starts to feel a little tight. And a trick if you want to have a really sleek braid is to put either mousse or hairspray on the little ends while they're loose, and it will keep any flyaways down. So as opposed to putting hairspray on it after you've already braided it, because that really doesn't keep the flyaways down, they're already out. I love braids that go all the way down to the bottom. I've never been a fan of having your braids like stop there and then have a bunch of kind of hair sticking out the bottom of the hair tie. I think it looks really cute when it goes all the way down to the bottom, which can be hard when you have layered hair, which is why I would say do the trick that I suggested and put either some mousse or some hairspray on the ends before you plait them, and then use a clear elastic to tie off the end. I go crazy about like the back, so if you wanted to, you could totally just pin it like that. And that's how you do a Dutch braid, aka a Kylie Jenner braid. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.